Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drawer glide in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drawer glide. This drawer glide is located on the right side of the shelf in the fresh food compartment. Together with the left side glide, it supports the daily drawer, allowing it to slide in and out. The main reason for the drawer glide to be replaced is if it breaks or cracks, no longer supporting the drawer. To get to the part, we need to open the door. First, I'm going to pull out the drawer. And then I'm going to lift up the front and release the two hooks at the back so we can remove the shelf. And place it on a workable surface. Alright, so we're going to put the shelf on the table, turn it upside down, and then I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take out the two screws that hold the drawer glide. Only a couple of screws. And that thing comes off easily. This is the old drawer glide next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. This is the new drawer glide. The screws would be installed into this hole and into this hole. So we're going to match it with the holes in the bracket. And I'm going to place the screw in. And the second one. And now we can tighten the screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so we can install it back into the fridge. And now we're going to place that rear hooks into the cutouts here. Make sure that they are properly installed and lower down the front. And we're going to slide in the drawer. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.